Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add volunteer experience on LinkedIn. So first you need to open your LinkedIn account, then go for your uh, profile. Okay, now go for add profile section, then go for additional. Now you can see here add volunteer experience. So click on it, then type your organization name here. So I'll type here uh, volunteer. Okay, this one, volunteer for Bangladesh. And okay, okay, then go for a cause. So I'll just go for health and check this. I'm currently volunteering in this role, and your starting date from here May 2022, and you can um, type your description here whatever you want. After that just go for save, and now just scroll down. Okay, and you can see here volunteer option here and fund manager. So this is how you can add volunteer experience to LinkedIn. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.